This vehicle did not arrive with glory. It did not roll in under its own power, nor did it turn heads when it was first seen. What stood before us was something far removed from the future-forward vision it once represented. Covered in layers of mud, corrosion, and silence, the Mercedes-Benz Vision AVTR Phantom appeared more like a forgotten object than a concept car born to redefine design and technology. Time had stripped away its identity, leaving behind only the outline of what it used to be. Yet beneath the damage, beneath the decay, something still remained. A structure, a form, a possibility. And sometimes, that is all restoration truly needs. Years spent submerged had taken their toll. Water had reached places it was never meant to go, settling into seams, crevices, and systems with quiet persistence. Sediment hardened around the body, clinging to every curve as if attempting to claim the car permanently. The surface told a story of neglect, but also of patience. Nothing about this car was loud anymore. No shine, no movement, no sound. Just stillness. The kind of stillness that builds slowly, layer by layer, until it becomes normal. But stillness is not the end of a story. It is often the pause before something begins again. The first contact is always careful. Before tools, before pressure, before any attempt to reverse the damage, there is observation. Hands move slowly across the surface, tracing contours hidden beneath dirt. The shape of the Vision AVTR is still there, even when obscured. Its organic design does not disappear easily. Every line was created with intention, and even now, those intentions remain readable. The goal at this stage is not transformation, but understanding. Restoration begins with respect for what was originally built. Water becomes the first instrument of change. At low pressure, it loosens the grip of the sediment that has settled over time. Mud softens, breaks apart, and begins to slide away. The process is gradual, almost meditative. Each pass reveals a little more of the surface underneath. Not enough to celebrate, but enough to continue. The sound of water against metal replaces silence, filling the space with a rhythm that feels deliberate and calm. This is not destruction. This is uncovering. As pressure increases, resistance fades. Layers that once seemed permanent begin to give way. The color beneath, dulled but intact, starts to emerge. Not polished, not perfect, but present. The car slowly becomes recognizable again. No longer just a shape, but a vehicle with identity. Dirt washes away in streams, carrying years of neglect with it. There is no rush. Every section receives the same attention, the same patience. Restoration is not about speed. It is about consistency. With the surface cleared, the true condition becomes visible. Scratches, corrosion, and wear appear honestly, without concealment. This is where many projects end, where damage outweighs ambition. But here, damage is simply information. It tells us what must be repaired, what must be replaced, and what can be saved. Not everything needs to be new. Some elements only need care. Others require complete rebuilding. Knowing the difference is part of the craft. Disassembly begins not with force, but with intention. Components are removed methodically, documented, and set aside. Each piece carries its own history of exposure and stress. Fasteners resist at first, seized by time, but eventually release. There is a quiet satisfaction in that moment. When something that has not moved in years finally yields, it is not victory. It is cooperation. The car, in its own way, allows the process to continue. Inside, the effects of water are more severe. Surfaces once designed to feel seamless now show separation and damage. Materials react differently to prolonged exposure, and the contrast is clear. Some elements have degraded beyond recovery, while others remain surprisingly intact. Every discovery informs the next decision. Restoration is not guessing. It is responding. Cleaning becomes more precise. Brushes replace pressure. Solutions dissolve what water alone could not remove. Hands move deliberately, guided by experience rather than urgency. Each component is treated individually, because no two areas suffer the same kind of damage. This level of attention cannot be rushed. It is repetitive, careful work, but it is here that progress becomes measurable. Dirt does not return once removed correctly. Mechanical systems demand a different focus. Corrosion within connectors and joints requires careful separation and assessment. Some parts can be restored through cleaning and recalibration. Others must be replaced entirely to ensure reliability. The objective is not to preserve everything at any cost, but to restore functionality without compromising safety or integrity. A concept car may represent the future, but it must still obey the fundamentals of engineering. As components are rebuilt, they begin to look less like recovered artifacts and more like working systems. Surfaces regain their intended finish. Movements become smooth again. Connections feel secure. Each completed section reinforces the purpose of the project. The car is no longer static. It is in transition. Bodywork follows a similar philosophy. Damaged areas are corrected with precision, not excess. Material is removed only where necessary. Shapes are restored according to original design, not personal interpretation. The Vision AVTR's form is unique, defined by fluidity and balance rather than sharp edges. Preserving that character requires restraint. Too much correction would erase what makes the design distinctive. This is not something that can be measured easily, but it is noticeable to those familiar with the process. The final stages are quiet. No heavy tools, no aggressive correction, only refinement. Polishing removes the last traces of wear. Surfaces become smooth, consistent, and intentional. The sound of cloth against paint replaces earlier noise. It is a fitting contrast. Where the project began with pressure and force, it ends with softness and control. When the restoration is complete, the result is not simply a clean car. It is a recovered idea. The Vision AVTR Phantom was never meant to exist in neglect. It was designed to explore possibilities, to challenge conventions, and to represent a future shaped by harmony between technology and nature. Restoring it is not about returning it to a showroom state, but about honoring that original vision. Standing before the finished vehicle, it is clear that time has not been erased, only addressed. The journey remains part of the car's story. What has changed is its trajectory. No longer forgotten, no longer silent. It exists again with purpose, not as a relic, but as a reminder that even the most advanced ideas can be lost, and that bringing them back requires patience, discipline, and respect for what they were meant to be. This restoration does not conclude with perfection. It concludes with balance. The car is not frozen in time, nor is it forced into modernity. It exists as it should, complete and coherent. From total disrepair to functional presence, the transformation is not dramatic because it does not need to be. It is enough that the car exists again, restored not only in form but in meaning, and in that quiet completion, the process finds its reward.